Hello everybody, I am Simran and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is #AskSwish. I recently asked you guys to ask me questions related to fashion, beauty, about me in general, and I got quite a lot of questions. Considering that it was my first video of this sort, I wasn't really expecting that number of questions, but I got about some 150 questions. That's quite a lot. Although most of them are repeated, so I'm just going to club them and answer all together or whatever. So yeah, now let's get started. So the first question is from Seem Ron, and the question is, who is more smart and more intelligent between you and Dolce? Anything that comes down to who's better, it has to be Dolce. She's somebody who's far more better than me in every possible way. I look up to her in for everything that she does. Whatever I am is because of her. So she's better in every possible way. So yeah. Princey_Savannah asked, which career you thought to step in before blogging? So there are so many things that I considered. I don't think there's any huge thing that I did not think of back then. When I was about 8 or 9, I thought I'd become a choreographer because I was a bit too much into dancing, although I still am. Then when I was about 13 or 14, I started going to play lawn tennis, although I suck at it. I am terribly bad at it. But at that time when I used to go to learn that, I thought there'll be just 3 S people, like the one with S initials. There'll be Sania Mirza, Saina Nehwal, and then there'll be Simran Bhatia. Yes, I literally thought that, but I was young, so I think I can be spared for that one. And then when I was about 17, 18, I thought I should become a singer. But by the end of it, now I am a blogger and I'm very happy. Unicorn_2003_X, have you ever come across people who just appeared in front of you and shouted out that I'm a big fan of yours? Yes, that happens quite often these days. Like, I go out with my friends, so people do end up coming and telling me that they really like my work, but they don't really shout that we're a really big fan of yours. They just tell me that they like my work. Roshan_Minghani asked me, which was the Cloud9 moment in your life? So I was really young, but that's one of the best moments of my life. I was around 9 years old and my mom and dad arranged a very nice event for me. It was basically a charity show where I danced on 51 songs continuously for charity's sake. And it was a completely show based on me, and it was one amongst the best things that I feel that I've done. Obviously, I didn't have the brains to plan it or do anything. It was my mom and dad's brain, and I always loved dancing, so they just put that one hobby in a very nice direction, and I'm really glad that they made me do it. So the next question is by Hush PP. When will you be uploading your room tour? Waiting for it. So it's not just her, but a lot of people who have asked me this question. So I don't really know. I cannot tell you which date or which month will I be doing it. It will happen sometime, but I don't know when. Because room tour takes a lot more time to shoot and edit than the usual sit-down videos, and I'm not really able to get time for that. I am editing, then I also go to office these days, so I hardly get time. So I cannot tell you when, but I'll try and do it ASAP. The next question is by Harshita_97. When will your house tour be up? So my first part of the house tour is already up on my channel. I link it right there so you can check that one. And the next part, again, it takes a lot more time and I'm not really able to get time for that. So I will do it sometime soon, like for sure, but I don't know when. The next question is by Muskan.Shersia. Where are you from? What is your daddy's occupation? In which class you started blogging? So I am from Indore, but all my blogging related work or like my shoots, editing, most of the stuff happened in Mumbai. So half of the time I'm in Mumbai and then half of the time I'm in Indore. So that's your first question. Then in which class you started blogging? I was in first year, and if you want to know how I started my blogging and more about it, you can check this video out. I made my video on how I started my blog and what were my thoughts about it. So yeah, you can check that. Chicky Jain asked, how did you get into this field? What inspired you to? Again, I made a proper video on this, so you can check that one out. It's in the description box below. Alina_Janjua, when Dolce will be getting engaged and which designer you guys have chosen for the function? So Dolce should get married by this 1 year, but we don't know the exact date yet because nothing is finalized. And of course, designer is not at all finalized. There are few designers that we have in our head. She has certain designers that she wants to wear, but we haven't finalized on any yet. So Non asked, how many siblings do you have? Your parents are always twinning, that's so cute. Yeah, they look really good together even if they're not twinning, but yeah, they quite often wear matching clothes and they look so amazing. I agree totally. How many siblings do you have? We are 3 siblings. It's Dolce, me and Arav. Arav is my younger brother that you guys keep asking about. with the underscore Mehta, and what do you think about relationships and what's your take on that? Did you have any boyfriends? No, I haven't had any boyfriend yet, and relationships are good up to people. Niharana underscore asked, what is your age, which video are you going to post next, and when is your birthday? So I am 20 years old. I am going to probably post my makeup routine. That is the highly requested video on my channel. And my birthday is 30th November 1996. Love you a lot, sister. Love you too, Niharana. Thank you. So Pravalika Joy asked, give some tips for skincare and hair. For hair, I've made a video, so you can check that one out. It's right in the description box below. And for skin, the one major thing that I feel helps a lot is drinking a lot of water, especially warm water, as soon as you get up in the morning. So that's, and I'm going to make a proper video about that really soon, so you can stay tuned for that. The Slay Baby, what's your signature style? It has to be a very comfortable skater dress and shoes along with it. Nikita Fatima 56, why you decided to color your hair? Because I wanted a change in my look, and that's the reason I decided to change my hair. ODC Journal asks, Swish, who is the most closest person in your life? It has to be my family. I share everything with my mom, dad and sister. They're all together. It's not like I talk to only one of these three. I talk equally to all three of them. We have meetings in the night and we share every goddamn thing that happened in a day. So yeah, all three of them. Born with Glitter, which further studies are you pursuing? So I'm currently doing my BBA third year, and after this I have plans to work, so I'm not really considering to do my MBA or anything after this. Probably I'll go for some short courses once I need it, but as of now I don't. Yashwini12, which one is your favorite vlog on YouTube? I don't know if you're asking me about my own vlogs or just vlogs from people in general. So if you talk about other people, I love Casey Neistat vlogs, and from my vlogs, I loved my Udaipur vlog. I can very happily and proudly say that I gave a lot of time to it. The way I edited it was very different, and I got a lot of good responses for it as well. So yeah, Udaipur vlog is that one. And if you guys haven't watched it yet, please do watch it. It's one of my best things that I've done to this channel. So do watch it. I'll link it down there as well. Akshita R7149, is height important for fashion blogging? No, Akshita, the only thing that is important is to have a good style, and not in front of others but according to you. If you feel that your style is really good, then you should definitely put that out and it will work out. There will be some kind of audience who will be there to watch you, so you should definitely do it. So height is not a parameter for that. Pali underscore Aurora asked, what work do you do apart from YouTube? So I do blogging and YouTubing, and apart from that I have just started going to office for my own thing. I'm starting off something really big, at least it's really big for me, and I'll tell you guys about it really soon, but it's gonna take a little more while, so wait for it. So Dipali underscore Aurora has asked me quite a lot of questions, and the first question is your favorite book. I don't read books, so I don't know. So there's none of my favorites. Then her second question is, what would you do if you weren't a blogger? If I wouldn't have been a blogger, then or anything related to fashion field, then I would have been a singer or a choreographer, because I think I'm good at it, maybe. Prab Simran underscore 118, what is your favorite hobby? Apart from working for my blog and YouTube, it has to be singing and dancing. Priti Bardia, what's your go-to makeup brand or product? So I don't really have my favorite brand that I love everything about. So there are a few products that I love from some brands, there are some from other brands. So yeah, I cannot really answer one. Then you also asked me your favorite clothing brand. So it has to be Zara, all-time favorite. I love everything about that brand. Then your drugstore and high-end makeup brand. As I mentioned that I do not have like one proper brand that's my favorite, but in terms of high-end makeup, I love Chanel, I love Dior, I love Estee Lauder makeup a lot. So yeah. Rupal Punyani underscore 24, what are your favorite 5 perfumes? I think I should do a proper video based on my favorite perfumes, and if you guys think that I should do it as well, do comment below, then I will do it for sure. I am Kushi asked me, who's the most famous person you've ever met, and what is that one thing that you want to do before you die? Lots of love, Simran. Stay blessed. Thank you, Kushi. Love you too. And the most famous person that I have met has to be, I think, Shah Rukh Khan. Yeah, I went to IFA in 2013, and that had almost all the celebrities from India, like the great ones, Shahid Kapoor, Ayushmann Khurrana. So all of them were there. It was just one bomb time that I had. So the most famous one out of the lot was Shah Rukh Khan. So yes, it has to be that. And what is that one thing you want to do before you die? I think I don't want to miss out on any opportunity that is good for me. It can be in terms of my work, or it can be in terms of the things that I want to do, like bungee jumping, skydiving, or anything good for that matter. So I cannot really answer one thing here. So Ananya Sachdeva asked, do you have a nickname? If yes, what's that? I don't really have like a proper nickname that my mom dad gave me or anybody from my family calls it, but few of my friends call me Simi and I quite love it. So there are few Fahmida, Mukta, Deepa Chaudhary who asked me to do my daily makeup routine. So that video is going to be up within this week, so you can check that one out. Bhavna3995 asked, how do you maintain your long hair? What you eat for healthy hair? So I don't really eat anything in specific for this kind of hair and maintain your long hair. I've done a hair care routine video, and how do I have long hair is because I don't cut them ever, no trimming, nothing at all. That's the answer. Alina Junuaja, what is your routine brand wear? I think it is Zara. Siddhi1258, what was your percentage in 12th grade? It was 84%. Muskan10 underscore Raji, some of your shopping places in Indore. So I shop from different brands that are in different malls. So here I go to TI for wear moda only. Then there is Sidu one that I go quite often to. So yeah, these are the few places. Siddhi1258, which editing app do you use? I use Final Cut Pro. If you're asking for the videos. And are you a full-time YouTuber? No, I'm not. Salika, are you an introvert or an extrovert? I am completely an extrovert person. You can make me sit with anybody and everybody. I can talk to them. Can I buy branded clothes and return them after shooting for them? Is that something most vloggers do? No, that's nowhere close to how vlogging works. If we buy clothes, we buy it like you guys. We have to buy it and keep it with us. And if brands send us for promotion, then it depends on the deal if we can keep the clothes or do we have to return it. It completely depends on that collaboration. Deepika Jivnani asked, do you get paid for your video views by YouTube? And if yes, then how? Please share. Okay, so there are a lot of myths regarding how does YouTube pay. There are a lot of detailing in it, but that I can talk about in a different video if you guys want me to. But as of now, just a basic gist about it, YouTube pays us for the ads that are posted right before our videos. So yeah, we get paid for that, but that amount is too less to even sustain a month. So that was about all the questions that you guys asked me. I'm sorry if I missed out on your name because the questions were quite repetitive. But anyway, that was about the video. I hope you guys liked it. And if you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.